Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Gray from Phandroid, and today we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the all-new Pixel 4a 5G, a device that just showed up on our doorstep this afternoon. Now, while the name of this phone here may imply that it's simply a 5G variant of the incredible Pixel 4a that came out roughly a month ago now, the 4a 5G is definitely something completely different, and in my book should probably be called the Pixel 5 Lite, based off of its features and specifications. So here it is, the Pixel 4a 5G. As far as the packaging goes, it's pretty simple. A picture of the phone and the name on the front, Google logos on the various sides, information here, serial number, and then Team Pixel on the back. The one thing I like about Google's packaging though is that they have these very easy pull tabs on the back, allowing you to get into the phone really easily without actually needing a knife or any additional tools to get in. So let's open this up. And there we have it, right there, the Pixel 4a 5G sitting right on top. We're gonna set that to the side just for a second and see what else is included inside the box. We have little instruction manuals here, SIM ejection tool. Let's see if there are any stickers or anything like that. No, just the usual warranty information, instructions on how to transfer data from another device to the Pixel 4a 5G. Set that aside, and then we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, an adapter if you're looking to transfer your data from another device, and then a charger here. This should provide at least, I believe, 18-watt fast charging for the Pixel 4a 5G. So let's set that to the side, and we're gonna turn on this phone here and then pull off the plastic on the device. That's always extremely satisfying. As far as the hardware goes, it actually looks pretty similar to the Pixel 4a. Both of them are polycarbonate finishes. The camera module looks the same on the back of this device, and then it has a blue accent color button versus the green on the Pixel 4a. But as far as that camera goes on the back of the phone, this is actually an upgraded camera module with a 12 megapixel main sensor and then a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. I think a lot of you will remember last year at the unveiling of the Pixel 4a, Google said that they were focusing on zoom and they thought it was more important, and that ultra wides may be fun, but they're not really that relevant. They've changed their tone on that and given us an ultra wide camera, which I am extremely excited about because I love ultra wide cameras. Fingerprint sensor on the back rather than one built into the display, and then a front-facing camera. And for the front-facing camera, it's an 8 megapixel sensor, and this one can record video at 1080p 30 fps, but the two cameras on the back can record 4K video, and this is the first time that we're seeing 60 fps from a Pixel device as far as video capture for 4K. On the inside of the phone, as I start through the setup of the device, the inside of the phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which is the same mid-range chip that we've seen in a lot of great mid-range smartphones in 2020 so far. I'm really excited to see how this phone performs with this chipset. I was actually really impressed with the performance of the Pixel 4a, which has the Snapdragon 730, and this performed really well as well. One of the other things to keep in mind, this phone also has 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 128 gigabytes of internal storage, NFC for wireless payments, and that's pretty much it as far as hardware goes. Of course, there is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which I almost forgot about, something that we do see quite often on mid-range smartphones. And then USB-C charging port right there, and stereo speakers. We have stereo speakers that produce audio from the bottom and the top here, so you should have a really good stereo sound while listening to music or watching videos on the device. Unfortunately, we cannot, due to the embargo of this device, show you any of the software features on this phone quite yet, but we will have a full review of the Pixel 4a 5G coming up within about a week or so. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well if you want to see it as soon as it's online. But as of right now, let me know what questions you have about the Pixel 4a 5G, and we will answer as many as we can without breaking the embargo details on this device. But definitely stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot of camera comparisons with the original Pixel 4a and also other devices like the OnePlus Nord and the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, which we're playing with right now as well, which is an incredible device. Now, one last thing that I did want to touch on is that the Pixel 4a 5G costs $499 in the US, which is $150 more than the Pixel 4a. That being said, it is $200 less than the brand new Pixel 5. And the Pixel 4a 5G and the Pixel 5 are essentially the same phone, with this one here having 2 GB of RAM less than the Pixel 5, and also it's built out with a polycarbonate finish rather than a metal body and a poly resin finish on the Pixel 5. Let me know what you think of this device and whether or not it's something that you'd be interested for a smartphone in the second half of 2020. I will have a full review of the Pixel 4a 5G coming up within about a week or so, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. I'll also be doing quite a few camera comparisons as well, just to see if Google's Pixel devices still stand up in 2020 against the best devices that are currently on the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.